scattered hours behind me and speed myself to you. I choose never to forget. I want our lips to kiss and our limbs to entwine. Let our bodies be twisted but never our minds. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Set to work, idle handshake. These thoughts had I planned them, they never would be teasing me as viciously as these. I would not have believed you had I never seen. Now you and I are intimately pictured in my dreams. I could not forsake you or fall tumbling away. And if I live in Wonderland, I'm better off this way. I choose never to forget. I want our lips to kiss and our limbs to entwine. Let our bodies be twisted but never our minds. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Set to work, idle handshake. These thoughts had I planned them, they never would be taking me as viciously as these. you.